Hello friends, welcome to Asali Digitals. My name is Paulo Logo. Today I'm going to show you how to insert videos inside a text, just like in this video seen on the screen. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I have my video here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to titles, then I'm going to choose your title here, then I'm just going to drag it and place it here. Now I'm going to double click it and change the words into love. Then I'm going to make it, I'm going to change the font, maybe to this one here. Let me change the font to that. Then I'll change the size. I want it to be bigger, so, and I also choose a bigger font. So maybe I make it to around 350. Then I just press OK. If it is so big, so what do I do? I'll have to minimize it a little bit, like so. Then I'll pull it here. Then I say OK. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to right click, copy this here, lock this one, copy and paste it on top here, like so. Then I'm going to change the words here. Now this one I'm going to put wings. Then just say OK. Then I'm going to drag it. Below here. Then I'll unlock this one here and line this one and this one. Now I'll right click all of them. Then I'll make sure they stretch, maybe at least 30 seconds. Then I'll pull them like that. The next thing I'm going to do, maybe I can put an animation, so I'll right click all of them like that. Maybe I put an animation like maybe this one here, fade out, and also this one I also put fade out. So all of them will have fade out. Then I'll make sure it stretches maybe up to there, also they stretch up to there. So maybe if I play, so it will fade out like that, slowly. It will fade out like that slowly. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to export this. After that, I'll find where the exported video is. Then I'll just come here. I'll import it here, like so. Then I'll delete all this and this. Then I'll just drag it here, like so. Then I'll drag the video here. Then the next thing I'm going to double click here. I'm going to come to composition. Then I'm going to choose this multiply. Then the video will be inside the text as you see it there. Guys, that's how to do that. Kindly go to the description section and you'll find more content. As you see, it's fading out slowly. So have a nice time, have a nice day.